community summit next year? Well, go downstairs, look at it. I mean, everybody's talking with one another, there's great networking, they can exchange information, they can share experience, they can find the value that our solution can provide, and on top of that, they learn about the future, what we are preparing, and how we can help them further in the future. So obviously going to the DCS next year is mandatory.
What I learned today is the insight, forward-looking insight into the industry and the way it's going to evolve in long term. So the vision sharing of DELMIA was really, really amazing.
Talk a lot about the vision of Dassault Systèmes in the next years. Really exciting return on experience from customer. So that was really nice to know. Really exciting experience everywhere if I can come back, I will.
Digitalization is important, and how that will be for a company like Scania, that I think is the most learning that I've done today. I think also networking is really important by companies that are using the same product, so that we can learn from each other.
We already have a lot of cooperation with Dassault Systèmes. We use a lot of applications like DELMIA, etc. And today I see really a lot of new features that we are interested, such as a new update in process planning, and it really improves the behavior in our plant, and it really helps a lot for the very beginning development in our manufacturing. I want to come back next year.
We are at the right place because I can brief technology and solution and good results what we've been learning and listening here today. So I want it for me. I want to pass it through to my company. So I'm happy.
It's very interesting to be here to really see what DELMIA is working on and how the different products of DELMIA, the Apriso, Ortems, now 3D Lean, also very interesting to see and to understand what you are working on, and then to see what we can use in our company. There's a lot of interesting stuff, new things that are very relevant, especially also the presentations where customers are presenting some of their cases, is because most of the customers, they face the same challenges, and if we can learn from each other, it's helping us a lot as the different companies.